Hi, welcome back to Excel for Accountant VLOOKUP class. Sometimes people ask me, look, my VLOOKUP formula is right, but why am I having a hash and an error? Today, let's have a look at an example together. In this example, as you can see, the ticket price for Zone 1 has an error. And if you open the formula and check each argument, there's no problem. So basically, hash NA means your lookup value, Zone 1, doesn't exist in the lookup table. But hang on a second, it is there. Well, let's check your lookup value. The quickest way to check is to do an equal check. Is your Zone 1 equal to the Zone 1 in the data table? Oh no, it's not. But what's the difference? To check this, you can use Evaluate Formula under the Formula Auditing section. You click on the arrow cell and you go to Formulas. You look at the Evaluate Formula and then you press Enter. Now, can you see between the opening double quote and the letter Z, there's some spaces? That is your problem. Let's close this. Now, you've identified the problem, but how to resolve it? To remove the spaces, there are two methods. You can use Find and Replace. So you highlight it on the lookup value, you press keyboard shortcut Control and H. In the Find workbox, you hit space on your keyboard, space, and then you leave Replace with Unchanged, and you hit Replace All. Close. You can also use Trim formula. In this example, trim is not really necessary, but let me just quickly demonstrate it for you. You can do trim, highlighting the lookup value, and then you do a VLOOKUP formula. Lookup Zone 1. Remember the keyboard shortcut for highlighting the data set, Control-Shift right arrow, Control-Shift down arrow. Second column, and false for exact match. So after you remove the spaces, VLOOKUP is working. So job done.